Folks, what is going on? It's a little bit windy out there, but as you can see here in my hand, I have a third brake light for this 2015 Tahoe. And in this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to replace your broken third brake light onto your Tahoe, 2015 and up.
Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around.
You can see a little bit of moisture in there, and this thing's cracked here, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I'll show you how. First things you're gonna do is pop the back hatch, take those two nuts off, and all these little Torx bits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and then you'll have to drop this trim piece. So let's just start on taking these pieces loose here, huh? So once you've taken out those 4 nuts, or 10 mils, and these 4 screws here, these big, what do you call it, alignment washers. These are T20 Torx. You go ahead and take this thing down, fish the seat belt through it, and then this right here is your third brake light right here. So we can go ahead and unhook it. There you go. And this is the windshield washer right here. Also runs up into that assembly. This needs to be unhooked as well. So push that together, squeeze. Take it off this way, I guess. That's off. Then you can fish this out. This whole grommet right here. I got a little trim tool I'll pop it up with. So I got this little red scraper here, non-metallic. And we'll go ahead and pop that out just like that. Fish these connectors and the one connector and this windshield washer drain. Or not drain, but feed for the rear windshield washer. Fish that through, and then fish this one through right there as well. The connector. Alright, now we're done up here. Go ahead and shut that and fish this whole thing back off. So now that I have all those connections undone, I should be able to just grab that thing and pick it straight up. All these screws, there's 6 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull those out. And then the shell should separate fairly easy. So the next thing you need to do is take these 4 nuts off of here, remove this clip, and put your new light in. So there's that broken old one, the new one. I've had this thing since 10/15/21. Finally getting around to changing it, so good deal. Take this thing. Now, I got the light installed, and I just came and set it on here. So, go ahead and pop this back open. Now it's Torx bit, nut, Torx bit. And then open the hatch, redo all the electrical connections and the washer fluid connection, and be done with it. Brake lights is on. As you can see, it's not very bright just because of how dark or how much sunlight we got out here. But that's definitely lit up, so good deal. We'll come back out here when it's dark and check it out. Folks, now that we've got this third brake light replaced, got one more problem here. My left side, driver's side, reverse light is burned out on this Tahoe. So I'll show you how to go ahead and jump in here and replace your guys's brake light bulbs or reverse bulbs, how to get into this assembly, how to access your lights here for replacement. Pretty easy. Stick around. Now to access the mounting hardware for your brake assembly, this little plastic piece you can see there's a seam here right above the strut, right under the strut. You just pull this out and then it'll give you access to the screws. So you're just gonna come in here and get under it a little bit like that. I'm using a non-metallic scraper here. Oh, come on. Pop these out pretty easy. Would have been quicker with 2 hands. I'm out here joking around. And then you got a torque spit right there, and torque spit right there. That is a T15. Take those loose, and your light assembly pulls straight back. There's that new third brake light looking good. And those LEDs, you really can't tell they're LEDs. Everything's just so doggone bright. But yeah, everything's looking good now. Look how bright that doggone thing is. Whew. I am still looking for a 1.8 liter Honda Civic motor. And got the dirt bike looking good. Gonna have to take it out tomorrow and get a good ride in. Oh yeah. Got the new meats, putted it around the yard. Haven't ridden it yet. This will be the first time. Old maiden voyage on the new meats. Every dirt bike I've ever owned, I've actually never had brand new tires. I've always had used dirt bikes. And then my new tires came from when my dad got new tires. I would take his old tires and put them on my bike. So this will be my first time out there on some fresh meats. Yow! Now I hope that helps you if you need to change your bulbs here on the back of a Tahoe, Yukon, or change your third brake light on a Tahoe or a Yukon. I hope this video finds you, and I hope it makes the process easy for you, because it's pretty easy. I will say doing this thing is kind of aggravating. Taking this whole spoiler off and getting in here to do that light, it can be a pain. I know. I didn't do it for a while just because I didn't want to do it. I was just being a little bit lazy, but finally got around to it. Not even a big deal. Swapped her on out. Got it all taken care of. Everything's working well. This thing's been on here for about a week now, and you can see it's dusty and the whole car's dirty. It's been raining, and the dirt road we live on, it helps to keep the cars dirty. Anyways, hope y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.